party of the summer. I caught up with Boy George, had a bit of a chinwag with Martine, mixed it with Ricky Martin, and talked to just about anyone who was anyone.
Hey Johnny, man. It's good to see you, bro.
You a bit nervous making a comeback?
Oh yeah, dead nervous, yeah. I think even when I was in the band, every time it was chart position week, it was like, you know, so it's still the same.
I'm trying to get my hair done, but I don't know where to get highlights, and yours are pretty good. So where do you get yours done?
My hairdresser's here somewhere.
Is she?
No, he.
He?
Oh, actually, she.
Apparently someone's making a film about your life.
Yeah.
And is it true that you said Robert Carlyle isn't pretty enough to play the part of you?
That's an absolute and utter lie.
Oh, is it? Oh, thank goodness for that, because I think he's gorgeous.
I think he's gorgeous too, and actually he was approached about doing the movie about a year ago.
Right.
But he decided himself that he was too old.
Oh.
And we were hoping that he was going to take another role. I hope the story in the Daily Star hasn't spoiled our chances, because I think he's a great actor. I think he's gorgeous as well.
You got me, together we were
I saw Patsy Palmer and her little boy down the road singing along. Did you
She
make
came
her
round
laugh?
at the beginning and I was like nervous wreck. I went, Patsy, I can't talk to you, I feel sick, I really don't feel well. She went, all right, darling. She went, I'll be at the front giving you a little wave on the way.
Have you met the Prince yet?
I am going to meet the
You're going to meet him later?
Yeah, what should I ask him?
I don't know. This is the thing.
I don't know, very simple, right? How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
It's a
Just be
pleasure.
yourself.
Of course.
Just be yourself, be natural. Give him a bit of that Spanish lingo. He'll love that. He'll be very
Brilliant.
impressed.
Hola,
yeah.
¿cómo estás?
Oh.
Amigo, ¿todo bien?